Hello everyone, my name is Carissa McComb and welcome to today's video. Yeah. In today's video, I am doing a quick get ready with me everyday makeup kind of style video. Basically, I just wanted to test out all my brand new Benefit products. So majority of the makeup that I use is Benefit, although in saying that there were a few items that I don't actually have in the Benefit range. So I was like, okay, I'm gonna use like another product, and so I did. But I show you every single product that I use so you can see what the brand is and everything. If you're interested in seeing my everyday look, which ended like this and started like this, continue watching because I'm just gonna quickly get into this get ready with me everyday look makeup tutorial. Yeah.
Wishing that I could run away with you. Imprison my fear, just pull me away, pull me away. Secret fantasies of me. Will they ever see the light of day, light of day? I don't know where you are, but I will find you. I will find you. So if you're out there, just run until the edge and fall into me and see where this could end. Make our own life and leave this world behind. Can you hear me? Do you feel me? I don't know where you are, but I will find you. I will find you. Wishing that I could run away with you. Imprison my fear, just pull me away, pull me away. Secret fantasies of me. Will they ever see the light of day, light of day? Wishing that I could run away with you. Imprison my fear, just pull me away, pull me away. Secret fantasies of me. Will they ever see the light of day, light of day?
Yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed watching this video. I don't know what else to say. This is the end of my video. Have a good day, and until next time, guys, goodbye.